everyone. Today we are going to drop a small truck, a delivery van. It's going to be simple, fun and perfect for practicing your driving skills. We will start with a few lines that form the chassis. Then add the wheels. Try to make them nice and round. Next we will draw the cargo box and the cab, shaping the front of the vehicle. Take your time and follow each step carefully. After that, we will add some details, like windows, a handle and lights. You can also draw mirrors, door lines or even a logo on the side to make your truck look more realistic. You can find crayons in the video description, so get them ready. Feel free to use any colors you like and be creative. Please also remember to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Our vehicle will be colorful and unique. Do you know what you can transport with such a vehicle? Probably lots of things. Furniture, boxes, food, or even packages. These kinds of trucks are often used during moving or for deliveries. Keep going, you're doing an amazing job.